Yo, hey boy, journalist here, see me, so. Yo, big up currency unit and you know, say, yo, we have a clean and fresh and thing, see me, so. People, everybody at school and this brother just come in the class and just walk past him. And suddenly the whole of the class think. Yo, me and one why at that time reach money here and say youth. Want my youth? Want? They can't. Nothing love to tell you, but God knows. I said, dog, it's easy, you know. You have to spend 5 minutes and 1 week now, one day you can spend 5 seconds. Just say your books and just take a little chuck off. Just behave like a fucking dolphin. Just fuck like a fucking rub up a book and one of the fucking like that, you don't behave. Yo, you know how man make, how some man make things look say, you know. Water can touch them anywhere else, you know, them head, them foot, them shoulder, just so, anywhere else, you know, but they see as soon as they touch them back, Jesus Christ, big man thing like enough to go and say man look at 5 second beat and nothing move like donkey when you want to touch in the back bridge. So here what? The first step we need to take. Always use a deodorant. No matter how cheap it be, always use a deodorant. Yo, make sure you sell a little razor lotion and dirty skin. Them things protect your skin. Make sure you always use it. I look at perfume, no matter what it be, all if it down on them, all for couscous or tile spray. Nothing wrong with that, they use it the same way. So after everything now, and you're fresh up on everything and you have on the clothes and everything, if you want to just make girl pretty different and look for you as a little the body is cute, you know what, just draw for your contact lens in the dear, it's the cheap, it's a reasonable price, you see me? You know say yo, I can't finish the show without big up the school, you see me? I big up the whole of currency unit in Jerusalem, Decent, all of the man, I got Judah, Tomar, Becky, Aldi, Jacob, big up yourself, you see me? And all of the man in my class, yo, Teddy, Romario, Scraps, big up on yourself, dog. You know what I feel about first, you see me? And yo, subscribe on YouTube at JNL TV and like and share the video, everything, say yo, people feel a good idea, you see me?